Hi, my darlings. It's been a while, but your girl is back from vacation. And well, I can't select all my videos like my last video. I gotta start with the little vino. And then I'll let you guys know what it is at the end. I'll share it. Okay, so let's start. That's not bad. Not bad at all. All right, adult juice to start the video. Time to get into it. So before I get into my second Grove delivery, I want to recap a little bit back. Update. I did realize that there was something missing from my first order. It took me a while when I was going through like the receipt. I realized that I never got the non-bleach Clorox from 7th generation. So they said it was sold out. I ended up calling customer service and I told them like, hey, I never got it. What's up? There was no like notification, nothing. So the guy was really nice. He was like, sorry about that. The customer service honestly is pretty dope. And he ended up giving me a $10 credit when the item was only $3.49. So I'm like, yes, okay. I'm using that towards my next purchase. And then like lo and behold, randomly, the bleach actually came in a box by itself. So I got the bleach basically for free and I got a $10 credit in my account. Go Grove. You did that. So yes, I already used it once with my laundry. I actually called them, like I read the reviews and I know it said that it could be used on like all types of clothing, whether it's colored, white, black, whatever, but I was still skeptical. So I called them up and they just verified that yes, because it doesn't have what is it? Oh yeah, because it's chlorine free bleach. That's why it doesn't have that harsh chemical that like messes up the clothes. So I did get my bleach and I used it and I really liked it. Yay. That was the update. Also I got the multi-surface cleaner and I think the dish soap detergent in Bluebell scent. And just to let you guys know, the scent is super duper light. I mean, if you're someone like me who when I clean my house with Fabuloso, I want the house to smell like I just cleaned. Like I want the mailman to come to my door and be like, ooh child, like your house smells good. And the Bluebell scent, it's like really nice. It's a very super light, delicate floral scent, but you don't really smell anything. I haven't used much of it so far. I did some cleaning with it, nothing too crazy. I used it on like my stove and cleaned. Yeah. And I also did use like the anti-bac bathroom cleaner. I do really like that one. I used it on my toilet. It cleans really well. I used it in my bathtub and it worked really well. And it doesn't have any harsh smells or anything. So I love that. But let's get into the second Grove box that I got. And basically, I think, did I have any issues? I think I had complained about something that happened when I first placed like my order. I had some issues and I ended up having like a little bit of a credit from that also. So I literally only paid out of my own pocket like under $2 for the things that I got that you're gonna see. And then some items are free that they just like added it to like my shopping cart just because. So I'll let you know which items are free versus the items that I technically paid for. And I use my credits towards my purchase. So yeah, I think I spent under $2 for the second shipment, which is awesome. We like that. We like saving money. So this is the box. This is the box, pretty much the same size as the last one I got. Last time I had a dull knife. Y'all saw me struggling last time. So let's not kill myself this time. You like my sounds, right? All my animated sounds. Oh my God, come on. Come on. Got me looking like I'm struggling out here. So let's get right into it. All right, I love this, little packing slip that always has all the things that I got. All right, cool. Okay, so let's get into it. Oh my God, I love wine. Oh, love being an adult. Okay, all the packaging. Bye. Okay, so, all right, so what happened is, okay, so remember I told you I didn't get the chlorine-free bleach in the first shipment, right? They ended up giving me a credit for the issue, but I ended up getting it in the mail anyway, which I was like, awesome. I got the product and I got a $10 credit. Thank you. And then they end up like still sending me another one. Like, I don't know, I think I got an email like, oh, we apologize about what happened. The item was like out of stock. And it's weird because like I already had got a credit for the item, but I guess in their system, somebody realized that like supposedly it was missing from my first order. So like automatically they were like, oh my gosh, we're so sorry. We refunded your $3.49 to your account. So I basically got like $13.49 and I got the product twice. Okay. So I'm not even mad about that. So I got another chlorine-free bleach for free. And I got enough credits to use on my second purchase. So this is one item. This is something that I got for free because they thought they never gave it to me and they resent it. Something new that I am trying or going to try for the first time that had some really great reviews is the Castile Soap. And it's supposed to be this like organic, multi-purpose type of solution, ultra concentrated solution that I can use as a body wash, household cleaner, pet shampoo, and everything in between. It has natural essential oils and it's made without harsh chemicals, which Grove's whole mission statement is using products without harsh chemicals. So I got this item in citrus, but it does come in a few other, like it comes in 2 other scents, but I got it in citrus because I feel like that's going to be a nice, kind of like refreshing light scent for the house when I'm cleaning or doing stuff. So I end up getting citrus. In that, what else did I get? And that was something that like I paid for. I put in my cart that I paid for technically. Something I got for free were these really nice cleaning gloves. I actually got a pair free with my first order, but I got another pair free. Nothing wrong with getting another pair of gloves, protecting my hands when I'm cleaning. So pretty cool. Got a second pair. That was free. Something else that I got free that they put into my shopping cart were these flour sack towels. These look really soft, made of 100% cotton, and I have a set of 3 of them. So thank you, Grove. Pretty cool. This was free in my order. What else did I get? Oh, and I also got this for free. This is a Grove brand mint and argan lip balm with hydrating chia seed oil. That's pretty cool. I have really sensitive lips. I honestly pretty much only wear Carmex unless I wear like a lipstick, and I wear them sparingly. And usually if I do wear a lipstick or some sort of lip stain or whatever, I always try to put a little bit of Carmex underneath it because my lips get really irritated when I wear lipsticks. It's probably something that's some ingredient that I'm allergic to, so I don't really wear lipsticks or lip colors too often, but sometimes I do, and when I do, I put Carmex underneath it. And oh yeah, this was a free item, the lip balm, and it's organic argan, chia seed, and coconut oil. It provides a powerful dose of antioxidants and essential fatty acids for healthy, beautiful lips. That's pretty cool. Something else I purchased for myself because I've been having issues with my skin, where like I have some spots and things that I want to clear up. I have a lot of cleansers, but I don't have a lot of scrubs. So this is a Cure Brilliantly Brightening Facial Scrub Exfoliant. So can't wait to use this and see how my skin reacts. See if some of the dark scars and dark marks kind of fade a bit while using this. So I'm super excited to try that. It's something that I actually purchased and paid for. This wasn't free, and I'm really excited to try it. And it won the Best of Beauty Allure 2016. So pretty cool. Whew, a little bit thirsty. Wine dance, wine dance, wine dance. Okay. Cute little fall 2018 Globe collaborative pamphlet. Okay, just mentions a lot of their like products and stuff. Probably some of their like new items and fall things. They have a new caddy for the fall. That's really cute, right? You see it? It has like pomegranates on it. So I think, yeah, that's like their new caddy for the fall season. And they have some seasonal scents also. Customer testimonials, you know, something that I can look through later on. And I love the facial cleansing wipes when I'm super lazy, when I come home after a long day and I just feel lazy and I'm just like, I don't want to use a cleanser. I just want to wipe my makeup off. I adore facial makeup removal wipes. So I got this and cucumber. I really like the Yes brand and I love the cucumber scent. It's like super delicate and soft and refreshing and not too harsh. And this has 10 wipes in it. It's not really that much, but this is something I paid for because I needed. Again, I had the credit in my shopping cart, so I kind of was trying to figure out items I needed and trying to be cost effective to spend like the least amount of money because my 60-day VIP membership is almost over. And right now the shipping is free and soon the shipping won't be free. So in all honesty, I'll probably cancel Grove. So I was trying to kind of like stock up on all the items that I thought I would need for a while. Yeah, because I don't really use I use cleaning products, but I don't waste them. Like it takes me a while to like restock. So I'm probably gonna cancel Grove after my 60-day VIP membership that I was able to get with my first order, but it doesn't mean that I wouldn't shop with them or consider them in the future. I definitely would. So I paid for this. And last but not least is the Zarbee's honey cough soothers and immune support, like lozenges. I have been sick for the past like week now. I went on vacation to Ibiza last week, October 1st, and came back on Tuesday afternoon. So it was a really fun vacation, but I got sick and I'm still kind of recovering from it. And I had ordered this, well, I put this in my shopping cart way before, and I am definitely in need of some lozenges and also an immune support boost. So I'm super excited to try this because I have a pretty bad cough and I've been super nasally and a bit congested. So I'm really looking forward to trying these and just seeing if it like soothes my dry throat, soothes the irritation that I've been having. And I got it in the natural citrus flavor. I think they had it in cherry and maybe some other flavor like mint or I don't know, but I chose to get the natural citrus, which is like a go-to for me. Normally when I get like cough lozenges, I tend to get like honey and lemon. I don't know, just because I like honey and lemon. And I like cherry too, but I just wanted something that was more calm and sort of soothing and simple and not something that tasted too much like some sugary candy. So I chose to get the natural citrus flavor in it. And I'm super excited to try this. Probably gonna pop one of these suckers in my mouth after this video. So yeah, let me go over everything. Yes, so I got everything that is on the packing slip. Yay. And of course, as usual, at the end of my video, I like to show you guys the wine that I've been drinking. Because I didn't feel well when I was coming back on the plane. Normally, I love to booze it up on international flights because the alcohol is free. Because I'm used to paying like $8, $9 for them little tiny bottles when you go on the airplane. And you know, I had a long, like 7.5-hour flight from France to get to New York. So normally I'd have been boozing it up for them 7 hours. Like, hey, excuse me, ringing that little bell, like another drink. But I was just so out of it. Like even the plain food was actually good. I took 2 bites of it and I just felt a little bit nauseous and just like so done. I honestly didn't eat like a lick of the food and I was hungry, but I just didn't feel well. And so towards the end of the flight, I was like, damn, I should have been like stocking up on these bottles. Like I don't have to drink it now. I can take it home, drink it later. Like it's still free. I paid for this. So before we landed, I had like called one, like they were coming through with like a last snack before the plane was gonna do the final descent and land. So like right at the last moment, I was like, can I please get a bottle of red and white wine? And the lady was like, oh, we were about to like cut off like the alcohol, so you're lucky. So whatever. Anyway, I'm ranting. She went, got me 2 bottles. I didn't drink it. I put it into my little bag and drank water for most of the flight and orange juice because I needed my little vitamin C or whatever. So this lovely glass of white wine is a really nice Chardonnay. It's like super light and refreshing. It actually tastes pretty fruity, but it kind of still has that like buttery richness that most Chardonnays have. Again, this is airplane wine. I ain't saying it's some super duper fancy wine, but it tastes pretty decent to me. And if just in case you guys wanted to check it out, the brand is this. Again, this is just plastic bottle, free plain wine. When I was on my Air France flight coming back, It's Maison Castel France Chardonnay 2017. So there you go. If you're looking for a Chardonnay, you want to try it out or research it, see what the flavor notes are, look it up. This is what I'm drinking right now. Might as well finish the bottle. Do 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 do. This makes me happy. Anyway, darlings, thank you for continuing to watch my videos, even though I don't have much out right now. Please subscribe, leave your comments, leave your feedback. I'm new to YouTube, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful weekend, a wonderful week. Stay positive, and hopefully I'll see you guys next time with a video, an updated video about my time in Ibiza. So look forward to that video coming up. It's going to be a video showcasing the hotel I was staying in, and then I'm probably gonna have another video just kind of like showing like some of the items that I got back, some really cool souvenirs and whatnot. So bye, darlings.